Stop trying to learn Python or calculus just to use AI. Seriously, stop. If you're a marketer, a manager, or a business owner, you're wasting your time. You don't need to know how to build an engine just to drive a Formula One car. You just need to know how to handle the wheel. The truth? AI isn't a tech skill anymore. It's a management skill. And if you aren't using it to cut your workload in half, someone else will. That is exactly why we built the AI for Non-Technical Professionals program at the DYF Income Skill Hub. Here is the exact 4-step roadmap. First, we break the black box. You'll learn exactly what AI can and cannot do. No jargon allowed. Second, we move past basic Googling. You'll master advanced prompting frameworks. I'm talking about teaching the AI to act like a veteran copywriter. Third, we build your domain-specific workflows. We show you how to automate social calendars, clean messy data spreadsheets in seconds, and create visual content without a design degree. And fourth, the most critical part, we cover AI safety, how to protect your company's data, and how to spot AI hallucinations before they ruin your reputation. Look, AI isn't going to take your job, but a professional who knows how to use AI absolutely will take it. Don't get left behind trying to read confusing textbooks.
Welcome to the complete roadmap for the AI for Non-Technical Professionals program, engineered by the DYF Income Skill Hub presented by Boswell Institute. If you look at the top of our blueprint, our mission is clear: to equip each non-technical persons with the practical skills needed to optimize workflows, eliminate administrative burnout, and elevate time-saving outcomes. This curriculum will give the initial learning of AI that you should know as a non-technical professional to accelerate your career growth. Let's walk through this curriculum step by step. Let's be honest. Most AI training out there is designed for software engineers and data scientists. It's full of complex code and calculus that you simply don't need. Because here's the truth. You don't need to know how to build an engine to be a world-class driver. You just need to know how to drive it. If you are a business leader, marketer, or operation manager feeling left behind by the AI boom, welcome to the AI for Non-Technical Professionals program, powered by the DYF Income Skill Hub. This is your zero-coding roadmap to AI mastery. In just 4 modules, we strip away the sci-fi hype. First, we demystify how AI actually works. Second, we master advanced prompting frameworks so you can get expert-level results every time. Third, we build high-income AI workflows for marketing, data, and content. And finally, we show you how to safely protect your company data and spot AI hallucinations. This isn't about turning you into a programmer. It's about building your AI confidence so you know exactly which tool to use, how to instruct it, and how to fast-track your daily output. Remember, AI will not replace professionals, but professionals who use AI will replace those who don't. Join the program today and step onto the DYF path.
With this plan, we can build something amazing.
Yes, everything we need is right here. Let's do this.